In this video, we will enable ADB using Galaxy Multi-Tool in ODIN mode on Exynos devices. First, go to Samsung tab. Then boot device in ODIN mode or download mode. Then select your chipset. There's many you can choose from. Choosing wrong chipset may soft brick the device. For this video, we have Samsung A17 running on Exynos 1330 based on Android 16. After selecting correct chipset, press Enable ADB, then wait for the process to complete. After process end, the device will automatically reboot to system. After device boots, click ADB tab and trigger ADB authentication prompt by clicking Read Info. On the device screen, tick Always Allow from this computer, then press OK. You can verify the device in by opening Device Manager. Now click Remove FRP button. Wait for device to reboot in system.